All right, we're going to go on the record. Court is calling 2023 CR 10964 and 2024 CR 2671, State versus Alexandria and Marie Alvarez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Christine Brown on behalf of Alexandria and Marie Alvarez.
And are you Miss Alvarez? All right, in each of the cause numbers, this defense has filed motions to set bond. Of course, the defendant is entitled to a bond as she is on deferred adjudication in each cause number. It's court's understanding that you all have come to an agreement of $10,000.
It's actually not correct. The state would agree if we were to come to an agreement to 10,000. I am asking for a reduced bond based on her current resources.
Okay. All right, then, state you're recommending a bond of 10,000? All right, defense, do you have any witnesses?
We don't have any witnesses. We just have the client. I do have her mother if she would like to testify as well.
All right. You want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yeah.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Alexandria Alvarez.
All right, you may ask questions.
Yes. Alexandria, when did you find out that you had this motion to enter or warrant?
Excuse me, sir, you need to have a seat.
When did you find out that you had a warrant issued for your arrest? All right. And what is your understanding as to why you have a warrant for your arrest or warrants for your arrest?
Because I got arrested in Guadalupe County, and because of that, I violated my probation in Garrett County.
And what other conditions were you aware that you needed to comply with? Can I have her review the motion to enter that she was given?
Oh, yes, parenting class and theft class.
So what would you do to address those violations?
Yes, I will do that.
And who is representing you currently on the outstanding charges in Guadalupe County? Would Miss Macias, Amber Macias, ring a bell?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And to your understanding, when is your next court date on those pending charges?
March 4th.
All right. And what do you do for a living right now?
I'm a hotel housekeeper
All
at
right.
Statebridge Suites.
What employer?
Statebridge Suites,
And how much are you making approximately?
$13 an hour.
And if the bond were set at $10,000, would that be unduly difficult for you?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how often do you get paid?
I get paid weekly.
Weekly. And what are your living arrangements right now?
I'm living with my mother.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, any questions?
No.
All right, I have a few questions. So have you ever been have you ever been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and have you ever used any type of illegal substance in the past? And what would that be?
Methamphetamines, Xanax, and marijuana.
All right, and what has been your previous diagnosis?
My previous diagnosis was, well, I do have a TBI, a traumatic brain injury, so I don't know if that is considered
I mean, as it relates to your mental health.
and then I'm dyslexic and I have ADHD.
Okay. All right, any other questions?
No, Judge.
All right, so state you're requesting the bond be set at $10,000. Why?
This is in another county. My understanding shouldn't have conditions, but you based on him, so. she's on probation in the state, she took 15 cases, that's the reason that I'm requesting a payment, like, that's what I'm doing.
And what are you requesting?
I believe I had requested 3,000 in there for each cause.
All right. This is what the court will do. In each cause, the court will set your bond at $8,000. The court will order full GPS. The court will order that the fees be waived. Ms. Ferguson, I need a contested hearing on this case, please.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you could do it in 20 days.
Yes. I can do the 24th, Judge.
All right, is the 24th good for you, counsel?
24th of February?
Yes.
I have 2 trial settings on that day, so.
Okay, let me see. All right. Are you able to do February 20th?
February 20th?
Yes.
I should have no issues with that.
All right, Norma, if you'll set this for contested on February 20th.
Yep.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yes.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay.